Welcome to the Simple Solutions Asynchronous training. To follow along, please download the accompanying PDF, which includes the slides and helpful links referenced in this video. This training provides an overview of the program, along with practical, classroom-ready best practices for implementation. At the end of the session, you'll find a brief questionnaire. We appreciate you taking a few moments to complete it. If your school has purchased Simple Solutions, you can use the Simple Solutions Star Center. This is where you access teacher materials and digital content. If you need help getting into the Star Center, click the link in the PDF or email us at starsupport@simplesolutions.org. Be sure to check out our Quick Start Guide found on our Knowledge Base page. It will help you set up your Simple Solutions Star Center account. Teacher resources are in the pre-test section of the Star Center. This short video shows where to find these resources, including the pre-test, topic guide, help pages, and more. Use the link in the PDF to learn more about this section. One resource in this section is the topic guide. It helps you understand the order in which Simple Solutions workbooks introduce standards in the lessons. Standards-based math for grades 1 through 8 follows a 1-week cycle. Students complete lessons in their books each day for 4 days in a row. After each lesson, the teacher and students review the material together. On the 5th day, teachers assign a quiz that covers the previous 4 lessons. Making Simple Solutions part of your classroom routine supports students' success. Completing and reviewing lessons in a consistent way helps students to know what to expect and builds confidence. Because of learning loss, some students may need more time with the material if lessons feel challenging. Adjust the pace by cutting lessons in half and extending the schedule to a 2-week cycle. Consistency is a key part of the Simple Solutions program. Maintaining regular review, even with adjustments, helps students continue moving forward. Parent involvement can also strengthen student success. Sharing information through email or open house helps families understand the program and support learning at home. It is important to model how to approach Simple Solutions lessons, so they do not feel overwhelming to your students. For example, students do not need to complete the problems in order from 1 to 15, they can start with the easier ones and move to more challenging ones. A good suggestion is to set a timer for about 15 minutes and stop when the timer ends. As the year progresses, students will be able to complete more, and soon the entire page in that period. This video shows you where to find the lesson answers in the Star Center. Click on the link in the PDF the Knowledge Base article that will walk you step by step on how to access the answer keys. The lessons are to be displayed for students to self-correct. Note: lessons cannot be printed with or without the answers. Review lessons right after students finish them. This helps them understand their mistakes while the material is still fresh. It's not a good idea to wait and review a whole week of lessons all at once. The program builds on itself. If a student gets something wrong in one lesson, they can learn the correct method during the review and then use it successfully in the next lesson. Teacher observation is especially important during this part of the program. Monitor students closely and look for signs that they are rushing through their work or completing answers just to appear finished. It is also helpful for teachers to review the weekly quiz in advance, before teaching the lesson. This allows you to identify the most important questions and focus your instruction and review time more effectively. Finally, before moving on, preview the next lesson with students. Use this time to highlight any potentially challenging areas and provide helpful tips or guidance to support their success. There are 2 types of quizzes, the A quiz and the B quiz. The next slide provides a detailed explanation of the differences between these 2 quiz types. Each quiz is available in 2 formats, paper and digital. These formats will be explained in later slides. For grades 1 through 8, students have access to both quiz types, A and B, in both formats, paper and digital. Kindergarten differs from the other grades. Kindergarten students only use the A quiz, and all quizzes are completed using paper and pencil. Here's a simple way to understand the difference between the A and B quizzes. Quiz A uses questions taken directly from the previous 4 lessons. Teachers can review this quiz to see exactly which problems students may need more help with. Quiz B includes questions that are similar to those in the previous 4 lessons. The skills and types of questions are the same, but the numbers are changed. Watch this short video to learn where to find printable quizzes in the Star Center. You can also use the link in the accompanying PDF to open a detailed knowledge base article with step-by-step instructions. One benefit of using printed quizzes is that teachers can clearly see each student's work. This video shows how to assign a digital quiz in the Star Center. You can also use the link in the PDF for a step-by-step instructions in the knowledge base. Before assigning a quiz, make sure all students are added to your class roster. Students will log in to the Star Center to complete the quiz. Digital quizzes are graded automatically, and results are available right away. This helps teachers quickly see patterns in missed questions or standards, and reports are created for further review. Tip: some teachers have students show their work on paper and then enter their answers online. This allows teachers to see student thinking while still benefiting from digital grading and reports. You can find quiz results in the Assignments tab in the Star Center. Watch the video for a quick demo on how to locate them. The links on this slide are also included in the accompanying PDF. They provide detailed instructions in the knowledge base and explain everything available in this section. The reporting feature is available when teachers assign digital quizzes to students. It provides a clear view of student progress over time, helping you monitor growth throughout the year. The course report displays overall class scores on digital quizzes. The standards report shows how well students are mastering the different standards assessed in those quizzes. Use the link in the accompanying PDF to learn more about the Simple Solutions Skill Builder for creating worksheets. This tool lets teachers create customized worksheets based on specific skills or standards where students may need extra support. Thank you for taking the time to complete the Asynchronous training today. We're so glad you're getting started with the Simple Solutions program. If you have any questions or would like additional support, please feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help. And don't forget to share this course with other teachers at your school who use Simple Solutions. Please take a moment to answer the questions in the questionnaire. You can find the link on the accompanying PDF. Your responses help us identify who at your school has completed Simple Solutions training. You will also be able to share any questions you have. Thank you. Have a great school year.